So if you are indeed interested in becoming a mystery shopper, I highly recommend you come to my website, moneystrugglesuccess.com. Right here, you have a mystery shop tab. Click on that, and then you will get all the information you need, and you're able to see all of the shop companies that I personally have vetted so that you don't have to look for it at all. All right, and so here I am in my email. I have an email specifically for all my mystery shops. And as you see here, this is what I come to every single day. Nothing but a bunch of mystery shops with money from $70, $35, $75. And it ranges because I sign up with over 50 mystery shops to make sure I am able to get shops every single day because I never know where I'm going to be or what I want to get for free. So this is why you need to sign up for as many as possible, and going to my website and seeing all the companies will help you do that. Market Force will become one of your favorite mystery shop companies if you love to eat and get free stuff. So let me explain what you can expect from this company. They are great at outreach, but a bit annoying at times. When you need someone to complete a shop, they will contact you first if you opt into that option. So just be aware. They ask you while you're doing your profile if they can text and call you. I allowed this at first, then I switched it off because I was getting annoyed. And you may be wondering, why would you get annoyed with getting free stuff, food, and making money? And they are literally begging you to take this money. Well, it's not all about the money because I am not interested in every type of mystery shop. And if you have completed a specific mystery shop before, they typically place a weight limit on you. So you're not able to do the shop again, maybe to a couple months down the road. They do have the power to lift it, however, but I just didn't want to do it. So you sign up with this company. It's very simple and the same as other companies I mentioned to you on my mega list of mystery shop companies on my website, Money Struggle Success. If you haven't checked it out, do so. And the companies that are usually on Market Force include restaurants, cafes, banks, and other stores. Example like coffee shops, clothing, and even I mean, just anything you can think of. Like they are always getting new businesses into wanting to get basically tabs on their brick and mortar locations. So you just don't know sometimes what you may actually see when you are getting a shop notification from them. And as I mentioned, you can expect some free stuff from this mystery shop companies as far as jobs versus high pay rates. And I typically look for high pay rates in the beginning when I didn't have a lot of money. But sometimes, having the free thing is good because free is always good. And with the food prices being so high right now, you will who will complain about having free food to eat, right? So they tend to offer a full or partial reimbursement on anything that you may need to buy as part of the task at hand as well. And if you are doing this as an actual business, you are able to write that off as well during tax time. So Market Force will also, will usually ask you to enter the store and ask as a normal customer would questions and see how they're dressed. They got a name tag on. So if you like shopping for clothes, what you would typically expect to do is to enter the store. How you doing? See if they greet you to see if they need any kind of help finding anything specific for yourself or whoever. You will browse the store, maybe try on a piece or two, and then you will see if the floor is free of litter. And if they have a bathroom, see how that looks and stuff like that. So yeah, overall, I would say this is a company you will definitely want to consider for all I mentioned: free food, reimbursement on clothing if you want to get a new wardrobe, and also having some free food. I mean free money, of course, but it's all about the reimbursement and also getting to eat for free. Like those are the main things I like about it. But I typically have this company as an add-on to a big pay type of shop. So if I know I'm going to maybe let's say Atlanta and I have to go do an event type of shop, well maybe I want to get some food beforehand. So I will check out Market Force. Hey, do you have anything in Atlanta where I can get some free food before I go and do the second shop? And you can do that. So I hope this helps you get a little understanding of Market Force. If you're not, please let me know and I will definitely go over it more.